Superconductivity is a physical phenomenon discovered in 1911 that is getting closer and closer to everyday life. Evolution of materials, scientific and industrial know-how, and manufacturing capability are bringing evolution and innovation not only in traditional application areas like fusion energy, particle physics, MRI, but also in areas close to everyday life and our quality of life. Thanks to superconducting magnets and systems and the progressive evolution of materials that allow for simplified cryogenic cycles, more and more will be achieved. Treating tumours with innovative proton therapy systems, including real-time MRI imaging for more precise and effective treatments. Studying the human brain to assess consequences and identify therapies following stroke or Alzheimer's. Performing anti-claustrophobia MRI examinations in exact symptom location and without using helium or rare earths. Make cyclotrons for medical treatment or to enable next-generation nuclear power processes. Transmit energy without dispersion, with reduced footprint and at a factor of ×100 compared to technologies now in use, as in the case of MGB2 wire. Realize innovative transmission storage systems to support the Green Deal transition of electric ships and aircraft. All of this is the result of a long tradition of Italy, Liguria and Genoa having a long history of knowledge sharing and collaboration between research institutes and companies such as ASG, with major projects and collaborations on an international scale. Superconductivity will increasingly enable a new, greener and human-centric world, which is why we work every day and why it is important to spread knowledge, and events like the Festival of Science play a key role in this, and thus pass the baton to young people who, by studying scientific subjects and working in Italy and abroad, will be able to bring to fruition what was started more than a century ago and is now starting to become more and more concrete.